Hey, great day to you. So, if you're looking for the best practice management software for accountants, small accounting firms, big accounting firms, whatever size of your accountancy is, like a client management software, especially for e-commerce clients, if you're looking for such a thing, I invite you to check out Link My Books down in the description with a free trial and a special coupon code that saves you 50% off for 3 whole months. Now, Link My Books is gonna help you with the next thing. You can onboard with your accounting firm or whatever size of accountancy you have. You can onboard e-commerce clients with eBay, TikTok Shop, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart stores, and recently also Square and WooCommerce. You will be able to onboard those clients and you'll be able to manage them within Link My Books, and you will be able to connect them to Xero or QuickBooks for accurate accounting on autopilot for your firm. So you'll be able to have less errors in your practice. You'll be able to save way more time with managing your clients, and hopefully your accountant firm will grow. Now, if you want to see how it all works, down in the description, I have a video tutorial for you with the co-founder and the CEO of Link My Books, Daniel Little, and myself, Vova Evan, Amazon seller. Great to meet you. We show you from A to Z how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. Now, I'll scroll down here. You'll see the timestamps. You can stop the video and kind of zoom in and see exactly what we talk about, but I'll just leave it in the description for you, this video, so you can from A to Z understand how you can actually improve your accounting processes. You can boost your productivity. Of course, you can't promise these things, but you'll be able even to make more money, hopefully, because you'll be able to onboard more clients, have less errors with them, and hopefully grow your business. Again, free trial of Link My Books in the description with the best discount. Also, there's the pricing page in the description. You can see exactly how much will it cost you to use Link My Books. Again, the sales channels Link My Books integrates with is Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Square, and WooCommerce. And you'll be able to see exactly how much it will cost you. Although I would highly recommend you watching this tutorial that's going to be linked in the description for you, because we actually show you the pricing page and we in-depth explain how it works. If you're a smaller accountancy or accountant, even firm, or if you're a bigger firm that has a lot of volume, we have in the video explanations on exactly how much it will cost and how it all works from A to Z. You'll see how to add new clients to Link My Books, how to connect Xero or QuickBooks, all the process basically from A to Z with a lot of tips from Daniel. So again, the free trial is in the description with the best discount for Link My Books. Check it out and have a great day. I'm wishing you a happy life. Let's go.